Welcome back to another episode of Rico Soul Italia Eats. In this episode, we're going to show you how to make an easy, simple pesto sauce that you'll fall in love with. You'll be able to use it on various dishes, but if you're like us, you'll want to use it on your homemade pizzas. It adds just a wonderful, bold taste. So without further delay, let's get it.
Okay, so now we're going to put our basil into the blender. We're going to make some pesto out of this. She's just breaking the leaves off the stem. Okay, she's done peeling the leaves off the stems. And now she's going to use this measuring cup to measure a half a cup of extra virgin olive oil. Okay, she's going to add a half a cup of extra virgin olive oil.
We may need a fourth cup more later on. Here's our half cup of extra virgin olive oil. So we've already added some of our basil to the blender. We'll also add 7 sliced garlic cloves.
And we have the half a cup of extra virgin olive oil. Okay, she's going to add the 7 cloves of garlic to the blender.
Next, we're going to add some of the half cup of extra virgin olive oil. Just some of it, not all.
Okay, she's going to add some of the half a cup of olive oil. She's not going to add it all. She's going to add just some of it. So this is a half a cup of the extra virgin olive oil that she's going to add to the blender.
Okay, it's time to blend this up. We'll add some of the same ingredients in just a bit, as well as some sea salt and black pepper. Next, we're going to add more basil and more extra virgin olive oil. As you can see, we're adding these ingredients gradually.
Okay, next she's going to add a half a teaspoon of pepper. She might add a little bit more later on, but for now, half a teaspoon.
Next, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Now it's time to blend these ingredients up once again. This time we'll add the remaining basil to our blender.
Okay, all the basil's gone. It's in the blender.
Thanks for cruising by. If you are enjoying this content, please smash that like button now and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new and exciting videos to come. Back to our video. Next, we'll pour in the remaining extra virgin olive oil to our blender, plus we'll add a 1/4 cup more for a total of 3/4 cups of extra virgin olive oil. We'll pour this last 1/4 cup in gradually. Now we're going to add a 1/4 cup of Parmigiano Reggiano, and we'll add another 1/4 cup later on for a total of a 1/2 cup. this will be the last of the 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil that we'll add.
So altogether she used 3/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. She added it in gradually, little bits at a time, as she was blending up the basil.
Now we're going to add our last 1/4 cup of Parmigiano Reggiano to our pesto. And that's it. Our pesto is now complete.
Okay, so you got just about a cup and just a little bit more than a cup and a half of pesto out of that. All right, just a little bit more than a cup and a third. All right. So that's our pesto, and this will be used on various dishes, but mostly our margarita pizza. All right, as we get a look here at this Sicilian, this might be my best work yet. With the pesto there, and the sauce just hanging over. Here we are, Rico Solo Italian Eats, and look what we have here. We have a margarita Sicilian. A margarita Sicilian, people, fresh out of the oven, and other types of pizzas as well. But we'll use it for various things. And so that's how you make pesto, folks. Pesto live and in color. Bon appetit, peoples. Bon appetit.
That's going to wrap up our video. Please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell as well. Comments are encouraged. And thanks for watching. But most importantly, don't forget to bon appetit, peoples. To bon appetit.